Hey Val, I'm just going to do this quick little video, but when you enter your Hostess reward, you just add the Brave bracelet. I go back with my browser arrow after that. Then I add the charm. I'm just going to say vision piece. And then I go back and I'll go back again. It just helps me navigate. And then I'll do select my 50% off rewards. If and then even back where you need to click this button before you try to add other things to the cart. So you need to click leave reward shopping, and then you can go continue shopping, and you should be able to add the wool tote organizer after that. So that little button that says, so you're in here, you're shopping, this is the button you have to hit in order for the credit to activate toward the other items. So hopefully that helps you. I'm going to hang up now, make it short. Okay, bye.